Now student, we are going to discuss question number 5.37, and in this question it is given to you a disk revolves with a speed of 33.5 revolution per minute and has a radius of 15 centimeter. Clear? So now we can see, let's suppose I am just drawing here a disk. Let's suppose this is disk, and let's suppose this disk is rotating about this axis like this. This disk is rotating about this axis. Clear? Radius of this disk is given to you, that is r. Clear? And value is also given, value of r we have 15 centimeter. Clear? It revolves with the speed, it means frequency is given to you 100 by 3 revolution per minute. Clear? You can write 33 and 1 by 3, this we can write like this, 100 by 3 revolution per minute, or we can also write like this, 100 divided by 3 multiply 60, and this is revolution per second. Clear? We can write like this. Now can we calculate here from omega? Yes, we can say omega is given by 2 pi f. Clear? So we can say 2 pi, value of f, this is written by 100 divided by 3 into 60. Now we are getting value in radian per second. Clear? So we can say from here this one and this one cancel out. We can say this one is 3. So from here you can say we are getting 10 pi by 9, and this is radian per second. Clear? Now in this question it is given two coins are placed at 4 centimeter and 14 centimeter away from center of record. Okay. If the coefficient of friction is also given to you, which coin will revolve with record? Okay. So now we actually say, what is the concept behind this question? Concept is very simple. Let's suppose I am saying here I placed a coin. When this coil is revolving with this disk, at the time, let's suppose this disk is actually rotating with omega. So at that time I can say definitely the friction force that is provided here, if this friction force is greater than centrifugal force acting on this coin, at that time we can say this coin will move with this disk. Yes or no? So I can say friction force acting, it should be greater than mr omega square. Clear? How can we write value of friction? We can say here mg force is acting in normal downward direction, this is normal reaction. So I can say this is equal to mu, and I can say this is equal to mg, and this should be greater than equal to mr omega square. Clear? So now we can write like this, m and m is cancelled out, and from here we can see r should be less than equal to mu g upon omega square. Clear? Mu g upon omega square. So we can calculate here maximum value of r. Maximum value of r, this is given by mu g upon omega square. Clear? Now we can put here all the values. So we can see value of r maximum, this is given by mu, value of mu we have 0.15. Clear? Multiplied with g, so I can say this is 10 divided by omega square. Omega square means I can say 10 pi by 9 whole square. Clear? Now if I simplify, I can say this is 1.5 divided by 100 into pi square multiply 81. Clear? Pi square is approximately equal to 10. So I can say here 15 divided by, this is 100, this is we can say 10. So this is 10 to the power 3, this is 10 to the power 4 into 81. Clear? Yes or no? Now important part is here, actually radius is given to you. No, we are just calculating. Clear? So if you multiply, you can say 15 multiply 81, I can say we have 5. Clear? And we can say 1, so we can say 15 8 120, so 121 divided by 10 to the power 4. Clear? So now we can say, if we talk about this value, we are getting here value, this is 0.1215. Clear? So I can say value of r, I am getting here 0.1215 meter. Clear? If I convert into centimeter, I can say this is approximately equal to 12.15 centimeter. Clear? It means if I will get value of radius, that is either equal to 12.15 centimeter or less than it, at that situation I can say that coin will revolve with the disc. Yes or no? It means two situations are given to you. We are placing two coins at 4 centimeter and 14 centimeter. So definitely which one of the coin that is revolve with the record? I can say the coin that is placed at 4 centimeter, it revolves, or we can say it actually move with the record. Clear everyone? So correct answer we have 4 centimeter coin. Clear? So this is all about this question.